How is everybody today? Roger with Grower Solution. I wanted to talk to the folks in Tennessee. The state of Tennessee has a program that they will offer you free milkweed seeds, and I'm looking over here because I got to look at my computer so I don't miss any of this information. And they're doing two species. They're doing their red milkweed, and then they're just doing the common milkweed. Milkweed seed's real big, so you can scatter it if you want to, but I think they give you enough for about a 3x3 or 3x4 spot. Not that big, but still, the reason this is important is for the monarch butterflies. If you do a little research, you'll see the butterfly populations are reducing because we're losing more and more of the areas that they would gather food and nectar. And the milkweed, the larvae, eat the milkweed. So anyway, I'm going to say that Tim's going to put a link to it. This is just for the Tennessee folks. It's just more of a public announcement than anything. It's a project I really believe in because I think butterflies are pretty important. You can do everything online. You can fill it out. They'll send them to you. You can plant them, and you'll have some milkweeds, and hopefully you'll have some more monarch butterflies. Thank you again. We appreciate your business. See you next time.